Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase or decrease page thumbnail in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file and click on this page thumbnail icon and this page thumbnail. You can increase, decrease this page thumbnail. Click here, increase and this decrease and see this. Also you can increase in this page thumbnail area here and see the double arrow icon showing here and you can increase this way this thumbnail area. Now also you can increase decrease this space thumbnail and see this. Yeah, this is also you can decrease this space thumbnail area if you want. See this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.